In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low quality story on Facebook. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Facebook application. From here, tap on the menu icon right here in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on the gear icon, which is our settings. Now you want to scroll down until you find the preferences section. From here, you will see the media settings. So tap on that, and you will see settings here for the quality of your stories. So in the video quality, what you want to do is to set it to optimized. So turning it to data saver, use up to 40% less data, but it reduces your video quality. So just set it to optimized. So the next thing you want to do is close this and open your Facebook and your web browser. So from here, tap on the menu icon again, scroll down, and select settings. And again, you want to go to media because in the web browser, there are some options or settings which is not in the app. So as you can see right here in the photo quality, you want to set this to high. So that is how you fix the low quality story on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.